It's a great wake-up call for like everyone.
You can't just want it, you also have to be ready for it, and then you have to initiate.
And I know it's going to suck in the beginning. It really will be hard because I'm changing my habits of how I eat, how I drink, what I do. And in the end, it's not about whether I'm dating anybody or anyone else. It's more about what's important to me. Because I want to feel good when I wake up. I don't want to have to worry about, wow, will I be around tomorrow?
Oh, everybody. Absolutely everyone.
Yeah.
Everyone needs to hear this. Everybody needs to know there is a better choice.
There was a whole book about it, about the bliss point, about creating food that has just the right concoction of sweetness and saltiness and fattiness.
It's just small little adjustments that change your whole entire lifestyle. Small little adjustments that change your whole entire health.
You know what that leads to? It leads to obesity, then eventually diabetes, and other heart disease conditions.
Kids who don't eat right are 10 times more likely to become obese adults, and 1 in 3 children born today will have diabetes in their lifetime.
This is gonna be part of like the new era of medicine and health.
One of the things I hope that all healthcare consumers understand is that they are ultimately in charge of themselves. And an individual is the expert in their own body. No one else can dream to be.
He had several disease processes even more severe, though different, than Mike. And they were both going down the same path from different sides of the road, leaving only one destination. That was an event.
When he told me that there were plaque building thingy flobbers in there, things that were starting to set me up for having heart problems or stroke later in life, or maybe even not that far in the future if I didn't do something about it.
Well, and I think the biggest struggle is people think they're the only one doing it. But when you see the people in the movie and our story and everyone that we've met that's made the change, is you're not alone. It may feel like it is, but when you watch a movie like this, it's like there's a lot of people that are trying to make a difference.
I want to look forward to myself getting involved in this and changing my life with eating healthier and going to the doctor, the right doctors.
The insurance companies and Big Pharma and everything else have taught doctors that the only thing that can heal is drugs and so forth. And the public has been taught that if the insurance company, if insurance doesn't cover it, well then it must not be real.
I do believe that our body has every single thing it needs to heal itself. So seeing that more doctors, medical doctors, are actually acting the way they are supposed to act, like helping people to change their lifestyles, changing what is causing the real disease, it's pretty amazing.